Hello again. This is Reginald Martin, aka Kuakaru, and welcome back to the final video in this 6-part series on Sacred Process Mastery and my African Mind Rewire course. In this video, I'll address the most common questions about the course. But first, I want to express my gratitude to everyone who has watched this series and allowed me to share this life-changing knowledge. I know that living life on your terms is important to you, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to guide you on this journey toward freedom of mind, body, and soul. Despite being inundated with messages and questions about the African Mind Rewire course, I'm thrilled to see the excitement and eagerness to join this class. Now, let's recap what we've covered in the series. We've seen how Sacred Process Mastery can help you live life boldly, authentically, unapologetically, and on your terms, offering simple and effective tools. The emotional monitoring technique in video 3, for example, is a powerful way to identify your frequency to keep you connected and tapped into your inner being. We also saw how Robert, one of my students, was able to manifest his desires using Sacred Process Mastery. Like Robert, you too can overcome negative programming and rewire your mind for success. Lifetime access to the African Mind Rewire course will soon be open for enrollment, and I'm offering part of the KCL content stack system in the form of courses and many hours of recorded real-life group coaching sessions for those who act quickly. Spaces are limited, so don't miss out. I've never offered this course with lifetime access before. My teaching approach simplifies complex concepts, making them easy to understand and apply in your everyday life. The course goes beyond historical facts or repackaged Christianity, focusing on practical metaphysical processes and tools. You'll even receive experiments to test the effectiveness of these techniques, like the Magneto experiment that promises to empower you in unimaginable ways. With consistent practice, you can begin to see a mental shift in less than 30 days, transforming your life for the better. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Embrace the principles of the African Mind Rewire course and never again suppress who you are in order to please others. Start living your life on your terms without guilt or shame. I've promised to answer some questions about how the African Mind Rewire course will work, so let's address them now. So, is this course suitable for beginners? Absolutely. My teaching style breaks down concepts step by step, making it easy for beginners to understand and implement them confidently. Is the African Mind Rewire course only for Christians? No, the principles I teach are from a foundation that every religious and spiritual system on the planet is built on. Although I often use Bible scriptures to confirm ancient Kemetic ideas, people from other religions such as Islam and Judaism can also connect to these teachings in their holy books. This course will benefit anyone, regardless of their spiritual background. Can white people join the program? Yes, the KCL family welcomes people of all humanity. While the program is delivered through my experience as a Black man in America, we embrace everyone who shares our values of unity and healing. Are LGBTQ individuals welcome in the Kemetic-centered living community? Yes, we are LGBTQ allies. If you have a problem with that, this community may not be a right fit for you. Who's not welcome in this community? We do not welcome those who are intolerant of others based on race, sexual orientation, or religion for that matter, or those promoting hateful ideas. Additionally, if you have an agenda to teach something other than Kemetic spirituality, this community is not the right place for you. Our goal is to promote unity and togetherness for all of humanity. Now, I know many people simply want access to the content. You're welcome as well. While I wish I could help everyone, I understand that some might not believe they can live unapologetically and on their terms. It's unfortunate because they have accepted their limitations. The African Mind Rewire course is already transforming lives, so don't miss out on this opportunity. When enrollment opens, it'll only be for a few days. If you're ready to transform your life, this course will have a significant impact. We aim to build leaders, not followers. By taking the African Mind Rewire course and delving into the KCL knowledge stack, you'll become knowledgeable, bold, confident, and a leader capable of positively impacting your family and community. That's our vision for you. Together, we'll create a vortex of positive energy that uplifts each other and our communities, like a rising tide lifts all boats. Enrollment would be on the first-come, first-served basis, and those prepared to create their world using sacred process mastery will benefit immensely from a wave of positive energy. The KCL Knowledge Stack system is designed to help you overcome negative Christian programming while uplifting you through high vibrational energy. All content will aid in developing sacred process mastery skills that improve with practice and growth. We cherish positive individuals who cheer others on and uplift them during tough times. If you share this mindset and believe in being a light to others, you have a home at KCL. You may not be the confident, bold person you aspire to be today, but if you join us when enrollment opens, we can help you become that person. Here's how to secure your spot in the African Mind Rewire course. You can click on the link in the video description now. The lifetime subscriptions will be on a first-come, first-served basis. Complete the purchase to gain immediate access to the course and the KCL Knowledge Stack content. We're offering lifetime access with 2 payment options, a multi-payment plan and a discounted one-time payment plan explained in detail at the AfricanMindRewire.com website. The number of lifetime subscriptions is limited, so act fast. We're excited to help you experience living life authentically, unapologetically, and on your terms. Embrace your inner god or goddess in training. Click the link below this video to connect with a lifetime subscription to the African Mind Rewire course and gain access to the KCL Knowledge Stack immediately, which includes supplemental courses and recorded group coaching sessions illustrating real-life application of Kemetic principles. That's all for now. I hope you found this teaching series valuable. Even if you don't join, the knowledge shared can work wonders for you. Use it. This is Reginald Martin, signing off for now. Take care.